This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Daria Mallard. Gorgeous, rolling square 10 acres dotted with nice trees, but mostly open pasture. This is a corner lot, with county-maintained roads on two sides. It's surrounded by beautiful horse farms and hay fields. There is a well, septic, and power pole in place, not warranted, and also wide open skies and wonderful sunsets. Just down the street is Flying Harness Farms and Gilchrist Standardbred Farms. Long known for raising and training Standardbred kart racing horses. There's even a training track, and a grass runway for small airplanes. It's a lovely area. The town of Belle, FL is just a few minutes away, and has Class A schools, nice restaurants, a grocery store, building supply, all the amenities you need close by. A short drive takes you to the Suwannee and Santa Fe rivers, with an abundance of boatramps and springs. CR 232 leads you straight into Gainesville by way of a breathtaking 40-minute drive through the countryside. It's a nice drive home. Come see for yourself. For more information, review the details below.